Yes, people, we're in the hills. This is the hills life. This is the life that we aspire to live. And this is the life that we embrace. Life in the hills. Yeah, treading it this way. In the hills.
Coconut a pick over bush.
Natural mystic. Coconut a pick over bush there.
Yeah, there.
We stand up right here, so. And we are doing what we're supposed to do. Alright, Cousin Munch, how we have another bag there? Coconut. Alright. See it there? Oh, more coconut. Wow. More to the pile. More to chop out. Machete work, and look how, hey, look how near the machete go to the man, and look how the man hold it firm. Look the people. This is what you call skill. Look there. Look at that. Yeah, man, that's how we do it. No machine now cut out nothing.
The blood bag.
Machete.
Natalie, you have bad blood. Oh, this is sleeveless.
Hear what mommy I say?
Sleeveless.
Mommy I say somebody have bad blood.
No, Trisha sleeveless.
Somebody have a sleep. I'm my mother, you know, yeah, man. See it there?
So she young and look nice and healthy.
And what you eat? You eat meat?
I tell.
What you eat? You eat meat?
No.
What you eat? Veggie chunks?
Yeah.
I tell. No meat to the thing. See it there?
You see, natural is
Veggie
beauty.
stew.
Look on the real ear. You see?
Natural ear.
Natural ear.
Natural food. Natural skin.
Beauty.
Everything is natural. What you mean if I fear ear? Then your ear pan your head. See it there? Natural. See it there? Natural. Natural. Afro. See it there? Natural fro. Yes, people. Rasta. We're taking our exodus from the property right now. We left round back and we are going towards the front with the things them.
Sauce
We have a sour see my cousin here.
We have sauce up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have coconut in the bag.
Coconut in the bag. All coming off the plantation. And we're making a trad now. Out. Why am I not refuse the cane now? Yeah? Bring in the cane, man. Cane can come forward. So we're gonna get some cane, people. Because cane depends on the property too. Alright? Look at that cane. You see how long? Look how long or how tall that cane is. See it there? So where the cane them grow there. And see it there? Because we just chop a cane. We do the road with. Alright? People, we're doing road. Up in the hill, see the taxi man can't wait, him have to run, him have to fly around me, make him go on.